Just got through mowing the backyard. LT 133 John Deere, and the leaves was getting pretty bad. Had to get them up. But what do you do with a LT 133 John Deere that just won't quit? Well, down here we built a grill on them. Let me show you. Okay. Anyway, there's the mower. There's the grill. Give you a round tour. This is the NOS tank. Got a stainless steel braided line to the front, and had to make a hood for it. The old fiberglass hood fell apart. So, buddy of mine gave me this grill, this tank, and so there we are. Built a tank grill on it, and it's looking real nice since I got through with it. But oh wait, dang, I forgot. Oh man, forgot about my sausages. Oh yeah, sausages are looking good. See here, maybe I need to turn them. Oh yeah. Yeah. Man, I'm telling you. Grilling while you're mowing, that's the way to do it right there. Time you get through mowing the yard, you're hungry, got your little appetite built, and throw you some sausage on the grill. They're about done. Alright, that's the tour of the John Deere LT 133 lawn tractor grill. We had built this. I built all of it out of stuff I had around the house. But my name is Mark Thomas. I live in Florida, and that's the way we roll.